0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role Play-8. Discussion with Tailor.
Samir is going to a tailor to sew his suit for his wedding. He reaches the shop and talks as follows.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. Yes, tell me, how may I help you?
Yes, Mr. Tailor, I'm getting married in April, so I have to sew a suit for myself.
That is good, MashaAllah. What kind of clothes do you want to wear to your wedding?
I want to wear sherwani.
Yes, that will be perfect. Okay, I will sew it.
Okay, please tell me how many meters of cloth should I buy for sherwani and pajama?
You will have to buy 3 meters of cloth for sherwani and 1.5 meters for pajama.
You mean that I have to buy 4.50 meters for the whole suit?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I will buy it, but please take my measurements now.
Okay, raise your arm. It is 14 inches.
Yes, it is fit.
What about the length of the sherwani? It is 36 inches.
It is too long. Make it 35 inches.
Okay, now I will measure your chest. It is 29 inches.
It is too tight. Make it loose to 30 inches.
Okay, will do. Now see into the mirror and see if it is fit or not.
Yes, it is perfectly fitted.
Okay, so it means that I have to sew the dress according to this measurement, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Good. I will sew the same size.
When will this suit be ready?
The suit may take 7 to 10 days to be ready.
Oh, so sad. Can you do it within 5 days?
Within 5 days? Okay, I will do my best.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
No problem. I will call you once the suit is ready.
Okay, I will wait for your call.
Sure.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.